Have you ever wondered how scientists study things that are hard to reach or watch all the time? Like, how do they know when a volcano might erupt or how much water a plant needs? They use something really cool called wireless sensor networks. Imagine a bunch of tiny sensors, almost like little robots, spread out over a huge area. These sensors can measure all sorts of things like temperature, light, or even movement. These tiny sensors are connected wirelessly, like walkie-talkies, and they can talk to each other and send information back to a central computer. This network of sensors is what we call a wireless sensor network, or WSN for short. WSNs are like having thousands of eyes and ears spread out, constantly watching and listening to the world around us. They help us collect important information from places that would be too difficult or dangerous for humans to go to. WSNs are changing the world in so many ways, from making our cities smarter to helping us grow more food. So, buckle up, because we're about to dive into the amazing world of wireless sensor networks. A wireless sensor network is like a team, and every team needs different players with special skills. Let's meet the key players in a WSN team. First up, we have the sensor nodes. These are the tiny, hard-working members that collect information. They are like the scouts of the team, spread out in the field, gathering data about everything around them. Next, we have the sync nodes, the team captains. They receive all the data from the sensor nodes and send it to a computer for scientists to analyze. Now, how do all these team members talk to each other? They use special secret codes called communication protocols. These protocols are like the language of the WSN, making sure all the information is sent and received correctly. And finally, no team can function without energy. Power sources like batteries or even solar panels keep the entire WSN team up and running. We know the WSN team is made up of sensors, syncs, and protocols, all powered up and ready to go. But how do they actually talk to us? It's like a relay race. First, the sensor nodes wake up and start measuring things in their environment. This could be anything from the temperature of a room to the moisture level in the soil. Next, they share this data with each other, passing it along like a baton in a relay race. They use their special communication protocols to make sure the data is sent quickly and accurately. Finally, the data reaches the sync node, the finish line of our relay race. The sync node collects all the data from the different sensors and sends it to a computer. Now the scientists can analyze all this data and use it to make smart decisions. For example, they can use WSN data to predict traffic jams, track the movement of animals in the wild, or even monitor the health of patients in hospitals. WSNs are like superheroes in disguise, working behind the scenes to make our lives better. They are used in so many different fields, and their superpowers are endless. Imagine a city where traffic lights automatically adjust based on real-time traffic flow, or smart garbage bins that signal when they're full. That's what WSNs can do for smart cities. In hospitals, WSNs can be used to monitor patients' vital signs like heart rate and blood pressure, without the need for bulky wires. They can even remind patients to take their medicine on time. Farmers can use WSNs to monitor soil conditions, track water usage, and even detect plant diseases early on. This helps them grow more food using fewer resources. The possibilities are truly endless. As technology advances, we can expect to see even more amazing applications of WSNs in the future, making our world a smarter, safer, and more efficient place to live.